Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assembling chemicals and safety gear because control prevents accidents. Measure analytical grade DNS and supporting salts roughly per your protocol. Use a glass flask and magnetic stirring. Once done, dissolve the solid DNS in a small volume of hot water with stirring to ensure uniform wetting. Make sure to add sodium sulfite to stabilize nitroso-side reactions and adjust alkalinity slowly with NaOH while stirring. This prevents local overalkalinity and keeps the solution clear. Once the solids are dissolved, transfer to a controlled water bath and warm gently. Sudden boiling drives decomposition, so maintain a mild temperature. While warm, clarify the solution by decanting or filtering through a fine glass fiber filter to remove insolubles. Make sure to cool slowly to room temperature to let any microprecipitates settle. After cooling, check pH and turbidity. If the solution shows haze, refilter and correct pH with small NaOH aliquots to achieve the reagent's working condition. Finish by aliquoting the clarified DNS reagent into amber, labeled bottles, and store refrigerated to slow degradation. Light and heat accelerate breakdown, so keep it cold. Once stored, run a quick QC assay on a known standard to confirm reactivity and baseline absorbance. If the reagent is cloudy or underperforms, refilter through fine media or discard and remake. Do not attempt to salvage heavily discolored reagent. Always follow institutional waste and hazard disposal procedures to protect people and environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.